Hello everyone, my name is Jawhar Ilham. Yaxshimsizlar, mening ismim Jawhar Ilham. Many of you have asked me, what can you do to help the Uyghur cause? I'm happy to tell you, I found a perfect way for you. I've been working on a documentary film with a group of American award-winning filmmakers. This documentary film will be focused on exposing the Chinese Communist Party's treatment to the Uyghurs. Currently, we have 1 to 3 million Uyghurs are rotten in camps and the prison, including my father. The documentary film will be one of the best strategy to let every person on the planet to know what is going on. If you're interested, please visit the website and join me. Thank you very much.